My people, I don't come here with something where they heavy for my heart. I need una help seriously for this matter. I need justice. In fact, we need justice because I just say by the time I drop this hot yam, una go even support me. You understand? This one happen now. Agbalagba, elderly man, we go carry girl, 10 years old girl. He do am jugu. No be the normal place for in anus. After he do am, now so they thought say police arrest am. Ungwanu, una know how police people they do. They see the on top case where police people contact the parents of the girl say, now this amount you need bring so that we go look into this matter. To look into this matter the man come there with the police people because they arrest him. As the police people see say this man no they bring this girl parents no they bring any money. Now so they just release this man because the woman they waste their time. You understand? And as they don't ask her to bring money now, the woman no gree bring money because she no gets. So they don't release the man as they thought to Nana. And the girl in question, 10 years old, no be once. The girl even they tell them say that 3 times and they do it from back. 10 years old, you do him back. Hey. And on top of that one, to make matters worse, after you do it, they give him 50 naira. 50 naira na like how much safe? 50 naira no be like 50 pesos, I be 1 CD. Something like that. I beg my people, we need justice. Now, why I don't bring this matter here? Which kind evil be this one? Which kind? See, no be the one where we dey talk say some people no get heart. This one even worse past person wey no get heart. Person no even get spirit. 10 years old. No, wait, no. Wait. 10 years. No be the even the normal place safe. Una no say person fit die. Anything we concern police, money must dey inside. Anything we concern police, money must dey inside. I no just understand. They rape person. And instead make you look inside this matter, you dey still ask for money. Now so now why our life even be like this? Scattered, confused human beings. Now why una no fit see one policeman wey go heaven. No, make una go heaven, go check. Check uniform people where they heaven and come back tell me say this person they heaven. You know fit happen, you know they possible. No. To even talk this matter self, even they do me. No, wait, I beg make person tell me something. What is the difference between rapists, people where they rape, and police? If you as a police, you feel because of money, allow rape case to pass. Now if they say you too, you follow for people where they rape. Person where you they ask me she bring money. Even phone, yam phone she no even get. No, make una help me judge this matter now. Me no be say I too like they talk. Yam phone, this woman no get. But if they ask her make it bring money. I be from where? Now your ancestors want bring her. Police. Hey. I know what they talk because this thing I don't experience them before. No be the rape like I they talk about the police people. Try call police. Say okay, you get case or they rob your phone or something like any case where you know say they serious. No, you try call police first before they go move. They go tell you, Alpha, you give us something for petrol, fuel. Give us something so that we go, you understand? Meanwhile, government already provide all these things for their budget. All these things already. I bet my people, why will they pay tax? Why will they pay tax if the reason why we even they pay tax, we know they see and we know they get up? Make we kukuma stop because I know they see, I be when they see anything. Me, I know they see the reason why even they pay tax. Trouble everywhere, heartless people everywhere. In fact, Africa just they messed up. Everything just they see you. No. Police people lie. You no go. Make a complete that statement. You no go bet. Make a no just talk before they say, Madam Aproko don't talk. Don't start the talk. All the things now where we they pay tax for. No, many of una don't even know why they pay tax. Una don't even know why they pay tax. Security 0. Water, zero. Light, zero. Road, all the roads when they drive, they pass. Wait, it be like say if they drive for those roads, say a pregnant woman say get miscarriage, zero. Nigeria na zoo. Serious zoo. Zoo ruled by an animal. And later on, I go, they come outside, open down her mouth, and never brush. Punish is your friend. Punish is your friend. Which friend? For this 2021, I be make una no bring that nonsense friendship come our side. Make una see. In fact, I like being friendless. In fact, it's my hobby. I don't like having friends. If na police go come end up being my friend, because of all of una. Now why people they take law into their hands? Because of the kind things one that they do. Not be some matter even happen where one man and the whole family go kill person. They say the person kill person, I be the person steal. They don't feel call una because they know say if they call una now to contact this case, money go enter inside and they no get money and justice must be made. Now why some people now they think before we go call police, we no get 50,000 naira, we no get 500 cedis, we no get. As I told this thing, many of una eye just they shine. Not be only for Nigeria, even Ghana. It dey happen. It dey happen. Police people, I bet when I think say these people will ever change. I bet they go, maybe they go give their life to Christ. I don't know if it is possible because the way they say all of them don't even dey inside here. Nigeria na failed experience. Failed one. In fact, woefully failed experience. Now the best statement be that. Woefully failed experience. It better make we just break up. If you know say you dey relationship with Nigeria, you dey watch me now. Start the, in fact, I don't know whether na letter you go use and do, I been a speech, but start the break up anyhow. Make everybody just do on their own. So that we go no say, okay, now I do on my own. We go there together. Some people they make life miserable for other people. Police. I don't even know whether to say make police go arrest these police people who refuse to arrest the man who rape person. You understand that state? I bet my people, I don't bring on this matter because I know they laugh. It's very painful because I just feel for that small girl 10 years. So if you get anything where you go talk concerning this matter, drop on for that comment section. It's very, very important because me will help person and not be just for this present girl. Other people still there where they suffer through the same thing. You understand? Now why when I need share this video so that I go reach everywhere, people go know and people go change by God's grace. And don't forget to continue to pray for Nigeria. We need them even as much as the things still they hard. Yes, subscribe if you never subscribe. Share this video and drop your comments. I will reply now one by one. Stay tuned for our next story. My people, I don't bring in a matter from Oni of Ife. For now, we don't know I'm a Nigerian monarch and traditional ruler. This man don't they work on this matter since, my people. So finally, this man don't bring cure for coronavirus for Nigeria. You understand? So this man now, you don't come and tell us, say, he don't tire for us to the spend money outside they do. He don't come prove to Nigeria and to the whole world. Say, in they capable. And Nigeria, if come out with good thing for this life. Hey! Now, wow. I bet my people, I they told this thing with joy, you understand? So I bet for now, we don't know who be Oni of Ife. Join me, make we watch the video.
Yeah, and for us to prove to the world that something great can come out of Nigeria, as the world is celebrating their vaccine, these are the products of our vaccine that we are celebrating. Leave me, I'm the one that will hand it over to all of you one after the other. We are celebrating Verosil today. We have Naija approval. We have all the necessary federal government approval for Verosil products, both in capsule and in liquid form. And it has been proven and tested.
One country, Nigeria. The only country, Nigeria. Any other Nigerian counterfeit. Forget them. Finally, it's about to go down. This man don't come prove himself. Hey, who say we no fit do am? No, who thought at least no make una happy small nah. Bad news everywhere, every day bad news, every day bad news. Because today we know they talk about bandits too. You understand? Leave those criminals. At least we don't come out with good news. At least person don't make us smile small. You understand? So I bet make una join me give us small credit. It's very, very important. Because Nigeria don't too rely on white people. They don't too rely on outside countries. Waiting. Very soon now, if Nigeria won't breathe, they go make international call. Hello, we need air. Anything now, Nigeria, they rely on people, especially white people. Hey, white people don't chop our money. Eh? Nobody want one at the African money. White people don't chop Nigeria money, so they don't ready to vomit them again. At least this man don't come out with good results. Because we been they dash our money to people. And we know they talk about thousands, so billions, trillions. When person go just come, we just found out that this thing can be done. We found a new project, a new this one. Nigeria go buy inside. Send them money, billions, trillions. Our money just they go. We know even they see what they use our money do. Now they go no say now these people imagine if even these white people now come hear this matter, say person for Nigeria bring cure for coronavirus. Ha! They go not say we they useful. They go now they go start. See, now like this is supposed to be as big as Nigeria day, natural resources day, plants day. Or see, we get all the necessary things. So tell me why we say up till now people eyes start to open. Who tell us say we know Nigeria no fit just do this thing on their own? All the things we they get from outside. If Nigeria put their mind down, we go get them. But laziness no even allow people to start investing in their own country again. And another one again, selfishness, because everybody they think of their own pocket. If only Nigeria wise now. Listen, no, if only Nigeria wise. You see this cure, they go even start to sell out to even those countries where they deceive us since. They go even see import them abroad. May they not say we too, because now not be only them go they bring vaccine. So now we too we get cure. Make we also send our own. Make I even shock una. It go surprise you people. Say if we finally send this cure where we get now to abroad, they go see like shit. But when they send their own, now they rush. Everybody eye don't open because now white. That title owner, that tag owner don't tag white people like say they be una God. How come they not feel accept una own, but they go take? But when una they send, una won't die, una won't kill una self because now white person bring her. I bet my brother, congrats oh. But wait oh, my people, now good news. But we need the 100% sure. Hope say this thing na real. Not the one way person go take and now only malaria they cure. Hope say this thing real. I don't want fake matter. I don't want scam. I don't want make it day in fact 100% perfect. Because now some matter reach me. Say what they record my president of Madagascar. Say he do cure. They say he bring your own cure. This one they don't. They make plenty noise. My people last we no can see till today. I don't see the cure. I don't even see I don't see anything. Now why they beg? Say I beg. Make this thing better be true because the news is good. Forget them. It's good. You understand? At least person don't step forward. Congratulations, you understand? And I wish say this thing you go get the best out of it. You know why they wish you the best? Because you go need them. My brother, you go need them. So you better accept them with your whole heart now. My people, now the jollification matter be this so at least Naija don't put one leg outside, you understand? And this one I go come teach other people and say, I think we dey serious, we mean business, very, very important. So any comment where you get concerning this matter, whether you know believer or you believer, I don't bring that. So drop off for that comment section. And don't forget to share this video. All those countries, they need hear us. Say we don't arrive, we too, we don't do something for this world. You understand? And if you never subscribe, very, very important, because in my hand, subscribe, help this guy. Stay tuned for the next story. My people, matter don't reach me now from one woman. Omo, this one I beg, I don't want to talk anything about Yoruba people first before na crucify me. But the lady na Yoruba person, so now she don't come outside. Matter reach me, say this woman even want, she don't prepare everything down, say she dey kill herself. Just like that too. That's why when they see waiting happen, they say because man no they come to marry her. No husband. So she don't frustrate. She don't, in fact, many wahala, you understand? And right now, her family, her friends, everybody, everybody don't gather, they insult and they laugh and they come and say she be useless person. In fact, many things. So I beg for now, we don't know what they shelling now. Because we say they're about to lose in life. Join me, make we listen to the woman.
àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ti marry gbogbo wọn ti marry èmi nìkan náà ní òkú wá ní tí mo fẹ́ lọ gbé nǹkan jẹ màtá àwọn èèyàn wá ní ti máa rò bẹ́ẹ̀ pé tí bá lọ gbé anything jẹ pé ó máa ya ọlọ́yin máa ń ṣe ìyanu nínú ayé mi ó dẹ̀ fẹ́ kú mi báyìí pé ti lọ wá ibò mi pé ti lọ wá iṣẹ́ ní ibò mi kan lánàá mo ń lọ ní ìsìn máa lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ọ̀bẹ ni ẹni ń sìn yìí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo ṣe sọ fún àwọn pé wọ́n àti bá mi rí ẹni ọkùnrin ṣá léèyàn lè mú lọ sí ilé.
bọ̀ nísìnyí báyìí sìn ẹ̀yìn wá ní sọ pé ẹni ọkùnrin ẹ má sunkún nísìnyí báyìí sìn ọkùnrin tẹ́ máa nídìí tó máa tọ́jú yín tó máa jẹ́ ọkọ gidi ọkọ alálùbáríkà.
My people, I know say many of una go laugh, many of una go cry, many of una go insult am, many of una go judge am. In fact, I know say everybody get your own opinion, no. You understand? But I want make una understand something first. Everybody they go through something for this life. No, seriously, this one no be joking matter. Everybody they go through something for this life. You understand? So me from her own angle, I dey understand them. And many angles they concerning this matter. So we feel look at different angles. But me understand where she they come from. The problem for this woman now, no be say husband in quotes per se. You understand? Although not part of the problem. But the thing where even they pressure her to the extent where she even won't kill herself. My people now because of the way people wait there around her they treat her. You understand? No. Just imagine say they go through something. Maybe you no get money, you never chop. Then person come meet you now, still they tell you nonsense. Say, how you no go chop? At this your age, you no feel work. You know those kind of pressure. So the thing don't enter the woman, enter the woman, enter the woman. See, you know they easy. Chineke. But now the thing I be say, no matter what person they go through. I don't know how they see this suicide mission thing. I never think of for my life. Say I want sit down. I don't carry rope or waiting when they use again, drink sniper, do this one. I never think am before say I go do am. No matter what they go through. Of course, I know they thought say, I know they try hype myself. I know they perfect. But what they try talk be say, see, nothing should lead you to a point where you even want to take your own life. No matter what. Except say you die natural death. That one they different. But say you won't use your own hand, can't cause your death. I beg. My dear, you see, nothing is worth it. Very, very important. No try am. This one way you no succeed. I beg you. I dey use this time now to beg you. No, see, next time I look for person where you go talk to. Now, why are they telling every time? You see, it is very important too. Not be your secret at the talk about, but if you notice say something they worry you, look for person where you trust. Deliver the matter. It go shock you. Solution fit just come area where you no even imagine say solution go come from, it go come. You understand? Very, very important. And now people they die because of money. Imagine this one can they die because of man. When I say this life not even balance. Hey, wahala we both straight. Money, man. I bet who you go choose? Because we are working for money. So at least, I know they support say me you die for money, but at least if at all anything, we even take you out of, you understand? Make it be saying that something we did very worth it. Man, they plenty, my sister. But now my question be say, because now I don't they think this thing 2 times now. Hope say this woman not be part of the people where they young. You understand? If man come approach her, baby, I love you. I have a boyfriend. You know, see some girls they like that. Hey, even when they know they date, just so that they go drive men away. I have a boyfriend. Now see she don't end like that. I know they don't say make una date everybody we come una way. But see, sometimes you need to give love chance. Maybe now wait till don't cause this one where you can't reach this age. You want don't old, no be young like that. I don't understand though. Seriously, sometimes if I sit down, they think some kind of thing. How be say person go love another person to a point where she even won't care herself for the person? I don't feel take my life for man. Waiting happen, make her come die for you. The one way Jesus do, no do. Make her come kill myself. No, I be waiting. Make una sit down and think well. And as for una parents, stop they put pressure on your children. Go and marry. Waiting. If na like that easy, everybody for don't marry. Some people get their own plans. And see, not be everybody come this word say they go marry. And they not write am anywhere say na sin. They not write am anywhere say you go fire if you no marry. Marriage no be achievement oh. Marriage no be achievement because some of una don't even carry on top of una head like say na everything wanna come this world come do. Better things are there. Of course, marriage is good, but better things are there. So make una know. See, I bring these things so that una no go just be confused on herself. You understand? It is very important, my sister. You don't need husband right now. The way they see you, you need money. You need to look for a job. Make yourself useful. You go see how men go they rush you. Because nowadays men don't want all those liability where any small thing. No. They don't need that. They define woman way, of course, respectful, but make the woman get sense to do something for herself. Very, very important. You understand? So and now I bring this matter now. Because now for Nigeria, it don't become sin. If woman don't reach age to marry and she no marry, it don't become sin. Now they nonsense questions go they come. When you go marry now, you know go your husband house. Some of them will even they ask you, when we go chop your wedding rice now, rice, or go chop rice if you want chop rice. Simple. So no allow ladies, don't allow anybody to pressure you. No allow them. Anybody will bring this matter, put them for your seat. Very, very important. And as for you, as you succeed now when you no die, I hope so you no go make this nonsense mistake again for your life. You understand? Very, very important. If you can take care of yourself, men will always come. Men know they finish. Okay, although this period where we did now, oh my people, I don't they fear small because all of them don't they turn to gay. So now why I also they look the woman side. You understand? Because maybe she don't they fear self say this one where all of them don't they go that side. Say who will come marry me? My sister, no worry, we still have good ones. In fact, reliable and eligible men, they still there and they go find you. You understand? Just work and make your money. Very, very important. My people, I hope say this thing now where I talk, it not be only this woman, I go don't save many people. You understand? Now why I need share this video because person feels still their side now they plan to kill herself. Oh, very, very important. And make sure you subscribe and drop that comment. Any matter where you think say I talk or I not talk, drop and they go reply on a one by one. Stay tuned for our next story. They don't catch woman wey go sleep with underage minor. The boy na 13 years old. If you na see this woman, I don't even know whether to call her sugar mommy. This one na like grandmother. In fact, grandmother level na this woman dey. And this matter na, it happened for this boy mama house. The 13-year-old boy in mama house. When mama go where he go, as she come back, na so she just catch these two people on top serious banging. Hey, my people. No be small thing. This woman don't know whether she make she faint. No, imagine you enter, you see your pikin like that. Your small pikin. She don't even know whether make she faint. She don't know whether make she collapse. Now so this woman just call police. So say I beg, make una come before I do something stupid. Police people come. Hey, they can't carry this woman. My people, the one way even shock me pass for this whole matter. When I not say some countries get sense. You understand? These people, if they catch you, they go first ask you questions. No be like some countries, make a no mention name. Now slap, you go first receive first. So this one, they can't sit and down, they ask them question, they interrogate them. You understand? So they can't ask and say, madam, how you go do, like you get mind, do this kind of thing with this kind of person? No, say na crime. The woman can't say she no be criminal. Say this, she no commit any crime as we they say like that. Say, she did on her own. Where this boy now, the boy even tell her, say he want them. The boy tell her say he want them by himself. So the woman can't give him waiting the boy ask for. Hey! As I talk to her like this woman now, if they Waterfall police station. I don't even know why they carry and go water for. I don't know why they no carry and go stone for. Because this one no need water. Water too soft for this woman level. And when I know say for Zimbabwe, they know they take all these raping things. Because na rape. They know they take this kind of things likely. Lie. Na serious offense. Whether the boy they give you consent or the boy no give you consent. As long as say you senior this person, na serious crime you don't commit be that. What nonsense. They never slap this woman before. They never give you better one. Where your conscience will just come back to normal. Children know they give consent. Okay, make we even assume say this boy even give you consent. Okay, make we una not say now for the generation where we dey, some children now if una dey hear the kind things where they know, you go even they look for who they talk. They even know pass you. So make we just assume say okay, now that kind pikin. You understand? Say you don't know many things. So as he can't tell you say one time, you as at your age, as big as you are like this, you don't know say you go to give and slap, push on one side. You say if you go, you sit down on top and perceive what they talk about. If you not see him backside, hey, this woman backside no be here, oh, lie, When I see him, my face goes straight to Ghana women. Ghana women, they didn't doubt. This woman back at day, no be joke. She go need like 3 able men we go fit handle am. Now she carry and go give this small boy. And I come dey wonder how the boy gundus go dey swim inside now. Wetin that one fit give Abi the okay? I don't forget. Maybe the boy at this in age, maybe the boy gundus dey big. I don't know. I just dey assume. You understand? Because for this woman to talk say they do this kind of thing with this boy, I dey wonder the enjoyment wey she dey enjoy for this place. Omo, biko. I don't know whether men don't finish for Zimbabwe. Abeg, all the Zimbabweans, if una dey watch me, let me know. Men don't finish for una side because this woman she take this matter very serious and very personal. I just dey feel for this boy, mama. Like I dey put myself for his shoe. You open door, enter your house, see your 13-year-old. Omo, she even dey lucky say they call police. Me, I for don't finish you there before police go come. I dey sure say I for don't do something because I no fit just imagine now. If I be this boy, mama, my sister, this statement where you open mouth, they talk say you are not a criminal. This one, you no go even sit down your mouth. You no go say and use talk again because I for don't remove and finish. Now this kind of woman, we when they watch like this, now this kind of woman they sleep with in Peking. Very possible. For you to do this kind, let me say they say, maybe when some parents, if they bath you, they go come they play. Your thing don't they big go. Hey, you're this now like that they start before you know, let's taste it. Now people like this they do with their children. I'm not go they surprised. Rara. I beg Zimbabwe police people. I just dey trust una. Una dey trust una matter die. You know understand because una dey different from some people. I know they mention name. So I beg this matter no leave am halfway. Pursue until the end. It is very very important. Arrest this woman because this one pass child abuse. I beg, it pass child abuse. You don't even get respect say for the parent. I beg, arrest this woman. I know 1 year tomorrow say una come they give us many men. Arrest her, make she dey arrested. As many years when she need carry am, make she face am. Very very important. And as for you, 13 years. Let me say you don't expose finish. This one, I no go to say me they arrest her, but I beg make una put una eye on top this boy. Very, very important because now we don't know whether now the woman they talk through or the boy they talk through. You understand? Very, very important. Make una put eye for that boy eye. If not, by this time next year, now another song we go dey dance to. So my people, now the matter be this. Make una start to dey drop the comments for that comment question section. You understand? And if una never subscribe, wetin una dey wait for? Just click on that thing. You know hard. Support your girl now. Share this video. Make everybody know wetin dey happen for this house. And if you no click on that notification bell, you go dey miss everything wey we drop. Stay tuned for our next story. Ivory Coast footballer Wilfred Zaha in don vow say from today, in fact from now, they kneel down again. And I know say before if they play match, they go they write for behind their clothes say Black Lives Matter. They go even kneel down, they do some kind of things. Now he don't talk say he don't, and now he don't just come out on his own. He they call on him fellow black footballers. See me they stop that nonsense. When I go they kneel down, they write for behind on our clothes say Black Lives Matter. Say we they degrade ourselves. And I agree with them because now according to Ryan say, why must we wear Black Lives Matter behind our clothes just to show that we matter? You understand? No, seriously, sit down, self thinker. Because I'm not saying that many of now go come outside when they criticize them. No good thing where person go do for this life where Africans no go get something negative to talk. No good thing. I don't tire for una matter, so sit down first before una go judge this man, before una go start the throw and stone. Make I give una a simple example of wetin e mean. E be like now, you be gay. Why you go write for behind your cloth say I'm a girl when you know everybody, even they see you, say you be girl? Why? Now just see, this one are the simplest example we have to give you now. You understand? And now, so they say like this, Africans, we too like the suffer. Africans too like the suffer. Don't tire for us. See any small thing. Now so we go just behave like say we be slaves. Even when we get the power to stand for ourselves, we go see they do like doorway. Seriously, see, many of una they don't use una, overuse una, all in the name of they are white people, they are white people. I bet white people they not be God. They be human beings just like us. You understand? And just like this guy just come outside come talk am. Biko, he don't do. He don't do. That one na before. Now time to stand. And not be just football area. Every area. Make black people start to stand for their rights. Not be just football. Not be because say, okay, now footballer come outside, can't talk, and now you get to do with football. Every area, make everybody start to stand. You understand? Now so I see one who, hey, oh, this one just finished me. White woman, old woman, no, not be even say she young. If you not see how she they treat her house girl, the girl na black person. Even they spit on her face, even they the girl just they cry. Which I bet make am not even start to talk plenty. I won't make una sound with una eye. So join me, make we watch the video. So as soon as see this one now you still need come outside. They shall say Black Lives Matter. Una want them to say white people no say our life matter before. See, Africans, blacks, enough is enough. No go they wear Black Lives Matter. Some people say they don't forget say they get normal clothes. Every time when they want come out, they go they wear that thing so that people go no. I don't understand. You matter. We all matter. You understand? Why we go kneel down so that they go accept us? Why? When God they create human beings, God no talk say hey, some people will be white. So those that are white are supposed to step on those that are black. He no talk am. We have equal rights. For the fact say some people country they more advanced, he no give them advantage today. You understand? It should be equal. I don't go even blame them. I no fit blame them at all because all this one they start from the leaders when we they get safe. If leaders no fit appreciate us, no, how outsiders go come appreciate us? They see the way they treat us. Now why these people now they don't take and say okay this one, even our own politicians, if they go they travel outside like say our country is no good. If you so much love outside, why don't you make Nigeria or other African countries the way you see it outside? So that they too go see say we feel because we get the power, we get the resources. But laziness no go allow our leaders sit down, do something right. Now why our countries now they look like shit holes as they call us. Seriously, this thing is very, very annoying. And I see, thank God say this guy don't come outside now and make this thing because I don't they look for time where I go bring this matter up. Whether you be black, whether you be yellow, whether you be orange or purple, because you are very important. Say you be black, no mean say you be slave. You understand? No, make una sit down, ask una self this question first. Una remember how slavery enter Africa? No be we, the black people, open that door. We open the door for slavery. We even give them code. We allow them to take over everything. Now how we become slaves in our own land. Una never tire. Una never tire to the serve people. They treat una like say una no. See, for una we no say, except if you no grow for Africa, maybe you grow abroad, your mindset don't change. For us, we grow here. Because one thing we I no say that one I feel even boast. Every parent they teach us to be proud of our color, our country, our black, our Africa, everything they teach us to be proud. No go they chook eye for waiting not concern you. And now waiting not they kill many of us be that. You go see Africans now, they don't want to stay for their country again. They don't decide to go because I like the way white people they be. Me, I no go talk as this one. My brother, this one where you don't talk, you don't understand. I wish say I feel meet you today. I go just give you one big kiss because many people need open their eye. Many of them don't blind. See, white people don't blindfold us. They don't make una stand up. In conclusion, I waiting this guy just they try tell us. You understand? Stop the knee down. So they surrender any small thing, even for position or for place where black person no say he get right because he don't see white color. He mouth don't shut up. My people, Africans, black people, let us stand up for our rights and stop kneeling down. You understand? It is very, very important. It's time for us to take over what belongs to us. They've used it for long. Abi una no agree with me? I know so many of una. Even as this thing good, una go still fight. But anyhow, drop am for that comment section. I will reply on a one by one. Subscribe if you never subscribe and share this video because many of our people need to know that time is up. Stay tuned for our next story.